Hello, and welcome to week 2. This is the week where we delve right into the class, reading and writing critically and thoughtfully. We're talking about perspective, point of view. Who's talking? What do they think about? And what are they saying? My office hours, again, Thursday, 12 till 2. That should be 2. I'll have to change that. And then activities, again, the deadlines are Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Forum postings, again, on Wednesday and Friday. I hope you have fun with this one. This one, I'm asking you to change your perspective, change your point of view as you do something. Please don't let this stress you out. Choose something, I don't know. Look at your routine. Look at the assignment. I'll give you some ideas then. Writing assignment, I'm going to ask you to actually take an article from the New York Times. Hope you've had a chance to look at it a little bit before now. I've given you 3 different articles that you might choose. Choose another one if you want. And then I'm asking you, what does the person say? And why should we listen? Who is the author? Does the author have some degree of expertise with it? Then I want your own opinion. Nothing too heavy this week. I hope you have fun. Talk to me if you have any questions.